Hi, I'm Julien Payen, CEO and co-founder of Lattice Medical. Our company was founded in 2017 and our headquarters are located in Lille area in the north of France. The main objective of Lattice Medical is to provide an alternative solution to breast reconstruction for women who have suffered from breast cancer. Nowadays, breast cancer affects 1 woman in 8 around the world, which represents more than 1.7 million women each year. In 40% of the cases, mastectomy is the usual treatment, followed by chemotherapy or radiotherapy. Afterwards, only 15% of them have a complete breast reconstruction.
To bring an innovative solution for all patients, Lattice Medical develops the Matisse bioprosthesis, giving a natural, simple and natural breast reconstruction. Planted Matisse implant is made of bioabsorbable medical-grade materials for reconstruction of autologous fat tissue. It consists in 2 3D printing bioabsorbable parts. The first, inspired by Kali-lace, provides support for the fat, and the second is the shell that gives the volume and the shape reconstruction. During the reconstruction, a vascularized flap is taken from the patient and sutured onto the base of the prosthesis. Once in place, the tissue regenerates naturally by taking the shape and the volume of the shell for 6 months, and simultaneously the implant disappears. In the end, no foreign body remains in the long term and the patient regains a natural breast.
The idea of using 3D printing to manufacture our prosthesis came up during the prototype phase. At this time, the main advantage was the capacity to quickly and easily test several types of design at a lower cost.
The production process of our prosthesis consists of several steps. The first step is the extrusion of medical-grade polymers to make our own filaments. Then we move on to the printing of the Matisse prosthesis, which is produced in 2 parts. The base of the prosthesis takes between 2 and 4 hours to be fully printed. For the shell, the fully printing takes between 16 and 32 hours, depending on the size of the prosthesis. Finally, a post-processing stage is carried out by our team. The whole production process is fully controlled internally in our clean room. To be able to produce the Matisse implant on a larger scale, we decided to create a dedicated print farm composed of 16 Ultimaker S5 3D printers that were implemented in an ISO 7 clean room.
Different criteria were important for us to take into account. The presence of a double extrusion system to be able to use the support material. The glass build plate that can be cleaned up easily and avoid the contamination risks of our products by material transfer. And the possibility to integrate a filtration hood in order to limit particulate contamination of implants. The real advantage of the Ultimaker printers is the mix between the technical aspect we need for the project and the adaptability of the printer to our production environment. Finally, for a process as technical as this one, it is important to have a good maintenance and follow-up from the company we choose. So this is why Ultimaker was the ideal choice for us.
The first benefit of the Ultimaker solution is the reliability, with a printing success rate that goes beyond 95%. In-situ maintenance is also a key benefit of the Ultimaker solution, especially in a clean room environment. Print cores can be hot swapped inside the clean room without dedicated tooling and without moving printers. Connectivity will also be a key feature that Lattice Medical will leverage in the future. This is called Ultimaker Cloud Essential Solution. With such a solution, Lattice users will be able to operate multiple printers remotely with different users in different locations.
We are currently finishing our preclinical trials, such as biocompatibility, to be able to carry out the first test on women by the end of 2022. We target a production of 1,500 implants per year to reach the CE mark by 2025. The goal is to make Matisse a gold standard for any case of breast reconstruction after cancer. Our Matisse bioprosthesis is a unique example of a medical application made by 3D printing. Many other types of applications can be realized through the evolution of medicine and 3D printing techniques. The manufactures of our implantable and resorbable 3D printing filaments, in combination with Ultimaker printers, is one of these achievements and reflects the huge potential of 3D printing in the medical field.